Hello and welcome to Tipsy Tale. Today we'll be making a super refreshing and easy drink using an ingredient which is probably one of the most common ingredient available in any refrigerator. Yes, I'm talking about cucumbers. The drink that we are going to make today is called the Cucumber and Cumin Julep. Now I can personally assure you this is something which each one of you can easily make sitting at the comfort of your home. Are you ready? Let's get started. So to make this drink, we are going to take cucumbers of probably this size and take around 6 to 8 chunks of it. Then we are going to add it into our mixing tin. After that, we are going to add approximately 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Now remember, if you do not have brown sugar available at your home, you can use regular sugar as well. The reason I'm using brown sugar is it gives a little bit of earthiness and that caramel texture to it, which brings out the refreshing factor of it. To this, we are going to add around 1/3 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder to give that extra zing into the drink. And then we are going to squeeze freshly cut lemon. Now I'm using 1 entire lemon into it. It's up to you. You don't like too tangy, you can go ahead and add just half a lemon. I like my drink a little more tangy, so I'm going to go ahead and add 1 entire lemon into it. After that, we are going to give this mixture a good muddle to take out all the juices from the cucumber and make sure that the brown sugar and the roasted cumin mixes well with all these goodness of the cucumber. So we're going to use a little bit of force because the cucumbers are supposed to be a little tougher. Once you give it a nice mash, you're going to put the muddler aside, and then we're going to go ahead and add our whiskey to it. Now I am using a bourbon whiskey. If you do not have bourbon whiskey, go ahead and use any other regular whiskey. Yes, the taste will vary a little bit, but won't make much of a difference to the drink. So I'm going to go ahead and add 60 ml of bourbon whiskey into this drink. And then we will fill this tin with ice cubes. And then comes the best part. Give it the best of your muscles. We're going to go ahead and give this drink a nice shake. And after that, we're going to take our glass and fill it up with ice cubes. And then we are going to just strain it over. Now, I don't like tiny bits of cumin and bits of cucumber into my drink, so I'm going to go ahead and double strain this. If you like a nice bite in your drink, go ahead and just pour the drink into your glass. And now for the garnish part. Now I really like a nice bit of spiciness every time I bite into my garnish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a slice of cucumber like this and I'm going to coat it with chili flakes. Just like this. Alright? Just give it a nice coat. If you like it less spicy, leave less bit of coating into it, and then we're just going to go ahead and slide it inside our drink. Like so, and there you have it, the Cucumber and Cumin Julep. Now if you like the drink, go ahead and make it and leave a comment at the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!